Welcome to our guide on making money in 2025 through content creation. Today, we will be comparing two leading AI writing tools, Jasper AI and Copy.ai. First up is Jasper AI. This platform is known for its robust features and capabilities, including text generation, rewriting, and plagiarism checks. Now, let's look at Copy.ai, which is praised for its simplicity and variety of templates that cater to different content needs. In a direct comparison, we notice distinct differences in user experience. Jasper AI offers a more comprehensive interface, while Copy.ai emphasizes ease of navigation. When it comes to content quality, both platforms produce high-quality outputs, but Jasper AI often provides more nuanced and engaging content. Let's discuss pricing. Jasper AI typically offers more robust features at a premium price, while Copy.ai is often seen as a cost-effective solution for freelancers. Ideal scenarios for using Jasper AI include advanced marketing content, while Copy.ai is perfect for quick social media posts and marketing copy. Customer support options are crucial. Jasper AI provides extensive tutorials and support, whereas Copy.ai excels with an active community. Hear from our users. Many users have shared their success stories, with Jasper AI noted for enhanced creativity, while Copy.ai is favored for quick solutions. In conclusion, the choice between Jasper AI and Copy.ai depends on your specific needs and budget. Both can help you maximize profitability in content creation.